Ladies and gentlemen.
Ever wondered how anime has captured the hearts of millions worldwide? From the vibrant characters to the intricate storylines, anime is a diverse art form that transcends cultural boundaries. It's a universe teeming with everything from action-packed shonen adventures to heartwarming slice-of-life stories and so much more. Our journey today is all about exploring this universe, offering newcomers a beginner's guide to the world of anime, its history, genres, impact, and some recommendations. Ready to dive into this fascinating world? Buckle up. Anime didn't just spring up overnight. It has roots deep in traditional Japanese art forms. Its origins can be traced back to the late 19th century, with the introduction of traditional Japanese art forms, like ukiyo-e and manga. But it wasn't until the post-war era that anime as we know it began to take shape. The 60s saw the emergence of the first influential anime, Astro Boy, created by the father of manga, Osamu Tezuka. This series set the foundation for the anime industry, introducing elements like emotional storytelling and complex characters. Fast forward to the 90s and we have another major milestone with Sailor Moon. This series revolutionized the magical girl genre and became a global sensation, proving that anime could appeal to a broad audience beyond Japan's borders. From its humble beginnings, anime has grown into a global phenomenon. It's a testament to the power of storytelling and the universal appeal of its themes and characters. One of the reasons for anime's massive appeal is its variety of genres. Just like a kaleidoscope of colors, anime offers a spectrum of genres, each with its own unique characteristics and themes. First, we have shonen, typically aimed at young boys. This genre is known for its action-packed stories and heroic protagonists like those found in Dragon Ball and Naruto. Then there's shoujo, which targets young girls. Shoujo anime often revolves around romance and relationships, with Sailor Moon and Fruits Basket being iconic examples. Mecha anime, on the other hand, features giant robots and futuristic technology. Series like Mobile Suit Gundam and Neon Genesis Evangelion are prime examples of this genre. Fantasy anime takes us to magical worlds filled with mythical creatures and epic adventures. Think Sword Art Online and Attack on Titan. And let's not forget about slice-of-life anime, which presents everyday scenarios and relatable situations like in K-On! And Your Lie in April. Now you might hear terms like otaku and kawaii thrown around in the anime community. Otaku is a term used to describe someone who's deeply passionate about anime, while kawaii means cute in Japanese, often used to describe characters or scenes that are endearing. So whether you're into action, romance, fantasy, or just the simplicity of everyday life, anime has got you covered. With such a variety, there's surely an anime out there for everyone. Anime is more than just entertainment. It's a cultural force that has influenced many aspects of our lives. It's a unique blend of art, storytelling, and culture that has captivated audiences not just in Japan but across the globe. Its impact can be seen in various forms of media, from Hollywood films adopting anime-style visual effects, to video games incorporating anime-inspired character designs. Anime has also sparked a cultural phenomenon, giving rise to an enthusiastic global fan base. Fans organize conventions, engage in cosplay, and form communities where they can share their passion and admiration for this art form. These communities have grown exponentially over the years, further spreading the popularity and influence of anime. In addition, anime has made significant contributions to global pop culture. It's introduced us to a world where creativity knows no bounds, and stories can be as diverse as our imagination allows. Anime's influence is undeniable and continues to grow. If you're new to anime, choosing where to start can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Consider My Hero Academia, a superhero tale with a heart, or Attack on Titan, a gripping story of survival. For a slice of life, Toradora is a captivating journey through high school friendships and romance. If you fancy something classic, Cowboy Bebop blends jazz, space travel, and bounty hunting in a unique mix. These series are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of anime waiting for you. Anime is a vibrant and diverse medium with something to offer everyone. We've journeyed from its roots in traditional Japanese art through the varied genres that have captivated audiences worldwide. We've touched on its influence not just within Japan, but across the globe, and even suggested some beginner-friendly series to kickstart your adventure. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of anime and discover your new favorite series today.